Next Tuesday, voters in and around Onekama will see two proposals on their ballots. The first asks for a bond just shy of $1.7 million. This money would be used for remodeling, two new school buses, and upgraded security, including more security cameras and exterior doors that have key card access.
I think with all that's been going on in the country, in schools, it has become an issue. It's unfortunate. I don't think we see it as much in our small communities, but it is a concern.
The new security cameras would be placed at building entrances, the parking lot, and the football field. The two new school buses will also be equipped with security cameras. There will also be money for roof repairs and improvements to the building's heating system. The second bond proposal would raise a little more than $600,000 and is aimed more at technology. Each of the district's 430 students will receive either a tablet or a laptop computer.
It would add the additional computers that we need for some of the staff and the aides, and upgrading the infrastructure, upgrading some of our labs, things like that.
It was just about 18 months ago when voters turned down a larger proposal from the district. It was one proposal that covered many areas. This time around, the proposals have been divided and more than $1 million have been cut.
I think we've put our needs out there. The last issue had a couple extra things involved with athletics, and we don't have that on this issue. It's kind of the nitty-gritty things that need to be done.